Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Myself 𝙎𝙃𝘼𝙍𝙀. So today's video is a quick sweet recipe which can be made in 15 to 20 minutes. So let's start it. As you can see how much yummy it looks. So let's get started. So first of all, we'll take 2 to 3 tablespoons of ghee and let it be little hot. Then we'll take 𝙎𝙼𝙈𝙈𝙈𝙀𝙉, what we said, and then we'll put it and we'll do it hot, or you can do it in medium flame or on high flame. If you're doing, keep continuously stirring it. So we'll do it till it's golden brown color. So yeah, and mix it properly, keep moving it. So as you can see, this I'm doing on full flame. I'll keep stirring it in between, and as you can see now it's in golden brown color. We'll do it till this, and we'll add like 1 cup of 𝙎𝙼, then we'll add 3 cups of water in this, and we'll on full flame leave it. After adding it, it will come to a boil. When water starts absorbing, when it's left little bit, then we'll see the results. Now as you can see, water has been left very much less, so I'll add sugar. I'll add 6 to 7 tablespoons of sugar. You can add however you like it. If you like little more, so that is more than enough. If less, then add less sugar and move it. Now keep it on high flame for 5 minutes, and when water starts absorbing, I tend to add dry fruits when it's boiling, so little bit crunch be left, not very much. So yeah, now I'll add dry fruits, whichever you can add, whatever you want. I've added almonds, coconut, and kishmish. I don't know what to say in English. So yes, now I will, with the help of one plate, we'll just leave it, and for 5 to 10 minutes let it rest. So now after few minutes I will see it. So you can see how much water has been absorbed, and I'll leave it for 2 minutes more. So as you can see, water is there. So yeah, I'll leave it for 2 minutes. So I'll see. Now as you can see, I've removed it and water has been absorbed. If little bit water has been left, just keep it in plate, and after close the gas, keep plate. After 10 minutes you can see it, water has been all dried. If it is little less, then only you should close the gas. And you can see it's very fast to serve to any relative if they have came and we don't have any sweet dish. So this is very quick help. So yes, if you like my video, please don't forget to like, share and comment below what all videos should I make. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.